How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Wuffy Player to your Firestick or Android TV. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app code downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, go to search and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on it, and that's the app that you gotta get to your Fire TV Stick device. However, after you get downloader, it is not over yet, because you still gotta set it up. So now in order to actually set up downloader, we go to the settings, scroll down, and then open My Fire TV. And now in the settings, what you gotta do is turn on developer options for your Fire Stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. You will open them, go to install known apps, and now from here you have to locate downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is, we open it, and there's the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV. But before actually using the downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to United Kingdom right now, and from the moment you connect, oh, your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use downloader safely. So we go straight to the list of apps on your Fire TV and open up downloader. Then wait a bit until it loads, and after that, on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home. That's important. After that, we'll open that search bar and start entering the code, which will be 378211. So once again, it's 378211. That is the code you gotta enter. Click on Go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you'll be able to get even more videos about Fire Sticks. And now finally the download has started, so we just wait a bit until the app is finally downloaded to your Fire TV Stick. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. And now when the download has finished, you gotta click on install and wait until the app gets installed to your Fire Stick. And after that, don't click on open yet. Instead, press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation file, as you don't really need it anymore on your Firestick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now finally let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick. We'll open it, wait a bit, and there's the Wuffy Player, which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.